Today is it. Today is day 7, the last day of our 7-day prayer challenge. And today, I think is a really, really important prayer because today I want you to pray for yourself. Now, I know we tend to fall in like one of two camps. Either we do a lot of praying for ourselves and not a lot of praying about other people, or we do a lot of praying about other people and no praying about ourselves or for things that we need or that we're asking for God. So I'm giving you permission today. Stop and pray for yourself. Do you need a little bit of a boost of confidence? Do you want to ask the Lord for something physical or a need that your family or yourself that you have for yourself? Do you need what do you need? Pray for yourself. Ask the Lord for something that you need. Something, be a little bit selfish. Pray for yourself. So, I really hope that you reach out to me and you let me know how these 7 days of prayer, praying for other people and now for yourself, has affected you. Has it made some life-changing or heart-changing things? Has it changed your heart? Has it changed some of your creativity with creating with the printables? Has it just been a nice week to stop and just really have some focused prayer? Let me know how this is going. Be sure to reply to this email, tag me on Instagram, or just send me a message. Let me know, how has this week impacted you? Or really, if you haven't even finished all 7 days, that's totally fine. They're here in your email, on YouTube, on my blog for you to come back to and revisit, especially if you need that little bit of boost in prayer. So, I hope this has been impactful for you. I know it has been for me, and I cannot wait to see what you do. So, I hope you have a great rest of your week, rest of your day. I really hope that you continue to follow me and we can kind of have more conversations about prayer and really digging deeper into all of this. So, it's been a great week with you. Thank you so much for joining me, and I will catch you later. Bye!